Look, Matt, so far the impact has been negligible. So you quite rightly point out that about 30% of our revenue comes from international VIPs. Over the last 4 or 5 years, we've been diversifying our dependence away from mainland China-based guests towards the broader Asian growth story, as well as moved aggressively into premium mass, just to diversify that risk. And so with that portfolio, for the first 4 months of this year, and we reported the numbers about 2 weeks ago at the AGM, our front money is broadly up on last year, which is quite good. Some of our guests are telling us that there's nervousness in the market, and if you look at Macau, and you'd know that better than me, there is obviously some of the exuberance has left the segment, but structurally, the value proposition that we have, which is tailored around experiences and really a high-end tourism offering, that continues to be attractive and will be attractive for a long time.
Okay, so what are you doing then to offset any decline? You just mentioned some of your strategy there, but is it focusing more on the domestic component of the market here in Australia? I know that you've announced a big expansion to go ahead, $2 billion worth at your properties on the Gold Coast, your property on the Gold Coast. Would it be fair to say that that's the focal point of your strategy then at the moment?
Look at the long-term future of our company is very closely tied to our growth in tourism, the growth in inbound tourism into Australia. And that inbound tourism is a multi-decade-long growth story if you look at the underlying factors, demographics, wealth creation, and changing behaviors. And so there's a big opportunity. And for us to really capture that, we need more hotel space. And so a lot of the investments that we're putting in are really built around creating that hotel space. In fact, we have currently 7 hotels in planning or in development, and we'd like to do more. As you point out, last week we announced that we had gotten full approval from government, from all levels of government, to put up to 4 more hotel towers into our property in the Gold Coast. When we're totally completed with that development, we would have up to 3,000 keys in Broadbeach, in a fantastic location just opposite the beach, next to a shopping centre and a convention centre, with a size of operation that rivals global resorts, and we're really excited about that opportunity. But that opportunity is really tailored at inbound tourism, and that will happen over the next years.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.